Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how to install Git on the Ubuntu machine. Let me open my Chrome browser, search for install Git, and open the Git official link. Here you can see installing on the Linux machine. So they have given instructions. Sudo dnf install git all. This is for this is why if you are on Fedora or RPM based distributions such as Red Hat and CentOS, and ours is a Ubuntu machine, so we need the which is a Debian distribution. I mean Ubuntu distribution such as Debian related. For that one, you have to run this command sudo apt install git all. Copy this command, open our terminal, type just paste the command. Yeah, before that, let me verify whether it is installed on my machine. How do you verify? Git hyphen hyphen version is the command to verify. Yeah, you can see that when I executed that command, it is showing git not found, command git not found, which means git installation is not available on this Ubuntu machine. So again, paste the command which we copied from the git website and press enter. It will ask for your password. It started installing and it is asking for some confirmation. Give why. Yeah, it's almost completed. Wait for a couple of minutes. We're almost done. Just another couple of seconds to finish installation. Yeah, installation is done. Exit the terminal once. Reopen it. Type the command once again to verify git installation. Git git hyphen hyphen version. Now you can see git version 2.34.1 is installed on our machine. Thank you. Thank you for watching.